Bye GPS. Hello VPS. Yes, you have heard it right. Now it's time to say bye to the GPS and hi to the VPS. But before discussing why to say bye to GPS, let's firstly discuss what is VPS and how it works, what are the benefits we get from the VPS and what it is actually. With that, if you have not subscribed to the channel Coding with Puneet, I would say please do subscribe to the channel to get more updates and say hi to the Coding with Puneet. Okay, anyways, now what is VPS? VPS is Visual Positioning System. It is provided by the Google and it's a revolutionary thing in the navigation world. Now with this new technology, Google uses your own smartphone camera to spot your surroundings and visually converts your direction right in front of your eyes. Yes, this is the beauty of VPS. That means when your GPS is not enough, VPS is there to rescue. VPS uses your phone's smartphone camera to provide real-time, air-enhanced location and instruction information, and that too with great accuracy. Now, how Visual Positioning System or your VPS works? VPS uses Google's extensive backend data and your smartphone camera's images to analyze the directions and instructions. The accuracy of the features makes it really very easy to identify where you are. That means it processes the images captured by the smartphone camera and overlay air elements such as virtual signs or arrows onto your camera view to provide you the directions with great accuracy and great user experience. Now, very important question is why to say bye to GPS. See, there are a couple of things here. One is GPS doesn't provide that accuracy as VPS. Second is VPS provides a great user experience in terms of the direction. Third is when you were using the GPS, you might have already asked you, am I going in the right direction? Do I need to take a U-turn? Do I need to go over the bridge or below the bridge? So there are many questions we have asked ourselves when we were using the GPS. But now this is not the case with the VPS. VPS on the other hand use your smartphone's sensors and make a navigation cakewalk with the help of the arrows of your camera. And next very important thing is VPS can be used indoor or outdoor areas. So this is how the VPS works. This is the brief idea of what GPS is, how it works, why to say bye to the GPS. With that, if you want more updates and more stuff like that, just subscribe to our channel Coding with Puneet. See you in the next video. Bye bye till then.